Oh, check this out, man. I hope y'all can hear me good enough. But this just a little something I'm working on right now. And it's real out here, y'all know it. Mac Memphis, Detroit pimping, natural born hustler. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm working on this, so check it out. It's called That's Why. I come in peace, but the streets don't feel me. So I switch it up, get buck. What the? I come like Chucky, call me lucky. I keep it pimping, we ain't never been and still ain't straight. I come like that, straight out the gate. You think you on top of your game, I put you to shame. Lame, lame's lame, it's a crying shame, but that's the name of the game. Bang, 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 I come like the Green Beret with my Molotov cocktails, 2 Ninas and an AK. Monk, what they say like player fly, say they gon' hate me anyway. Fuck with them today like yesterday and tomorrow all day, 24/7, 365. But sorrow comes like borrowed time, just for a little time. Sometimes Glock 9 keep them in line. Think I'm lying, we living in the end of times. My jig is dying left and right. You never know when it's gonna be your time. Darwinism, survival of the fittest. Are you ready? Body like no limit, then scream fuck the world, cause the sky's the limit. And it's your word, don't get big-headed, cause you can be replaced. Either way, dead or alive, the streets no die. You wanna stay alive, pack some iron and trust no one but God. I promise you that's why I keep it 100. Even if you don't like it, then I tell you where you can go and stick it, cause I ain't letting no one that don't pay my rent tell me how to fucking live. And I ain't no kid gonna make me retire, man. I set this bitch on fire when it comes to my life. Better ask somebody. All haters die. Make you think Tupac's alive, coming out the house with me and my girlfriends, busting at you bitches like a madman. And that ain't about revenge, but respect, my nigga. I told you, fucking with the real deal. 5 feet 6, but it's still kill. So don't go there. Warning, I smell death in the air. I'm strapped like a Jap in Chirac, watching and checking my traps. And I ain't got an army, I don't need them. You don't see them, but they got my back. Rat-a-tat, fist, knives, or baseball bats. Black on black, white versus black, and all that. Crime and hatred everywhere. Pimps, hustlers, hoes, pushers, robbers, goons, and killers. Ain't nobody real. We all going to hell. And it's more where that come from, man. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't fuck with y'all. Keep up too much shit. That's why I don't fuck with you. That's why I don't fuck with you. That's why I don't fuck with you. Keep up too much shit. That's why I don't fuck with you. Yeah, man. Mac Memphis, Detroit pimpin', man. Woke up this morning, man, and screamed fuck the world. That's why I don't fuck with you, bitch.